Let's talk about EdTech, a game changer in the education sector. It's all about using tech to enhance teaching and learning. EdTech's roots trace back to the 20th century. Remember those overhead projectors in class? That was EdTech in its early form. Fast forward to today, we've got interactive whiteboards, online learning platforms, and even AI tutors. It's a whole new world. EdTech is not just about cool gadgets. It's about making education accessible to everyone, no matter where they are. One major development: massive open online courses, or MOOCs. These allow anyone with internet access to learn from top universities. Another biggie is personalized learning. AI can adapt to a student's learning style, making education more effective and engaging. Right now, EdTech is booming. COVID-19 has made online learning the norm, and EdTech is at the heart of this shift. The future? Expect more AI, more personalization, and more accessibility. EdTech is breaking down barriers in education, one tech at a time. To explore more on this topic and other skills, log in to Gyata.ai. See you there.